oily skin. Oh, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So as you can read from the title itself, it will be a purple skincare haul, and let me tell you that every product I have purchased is for oily skin. मैंने dry skin के लिए कुछ नहीं खरीदा है. So I won't take much of your time and move to the video. So let us start with the first product, that is a face wash from MCaffeine. It's their coffee face wash with white lily water. So it is for normal to oily skin, and the net quantity for this one is 100 ml. The MRP of this product is 349 and I got it for rupees 325, which is quite reasonable for a product like this. So yeah, this one is a face wash. So let us move to the second product. So the second product is a toner from Good Vibes. It is their green tea glow toner. It's paraben free and cruelty free. Actually the products from Good Vibes are quite good because they are paraben and cruelty free. So the MRP of this product is 195 and I got it for rupees 166. So the net quantity of this product is it is 120 ml, so quite affordable, and above that it's an Indian brand, so why not guys, you can definitely try this out. So let's move to the third product. Oh, it's already leaking. So this one is the Himalayas Purifying Neem Peel Off Mask. The MRP of this product is rupees 75 and I got it at rupees 75 as well. The net quantity of this product is 50 gram, which is equals to 50 ml actually. So it claims that it prevents pimples, lightens pimple marks and removes impurities from your skin. So yeah. So one of the products which I was quite excited to receive was the moisturizing cream from Cetaphil, because अगर आप YouTube में search करो a good moisturizer for oily skin which can remove pimples, आपको ये दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. So I really wanted to try because I am breaking out a lot. So it says long lasting intense hydration for daily use, non greasy, non irritating, won't clog pores. I love that. And hypoallergenic. So the net quantity of this product is 80 grams and the price of this product is 425 and I actually got it at rupees 425. So in case you want a review of this product, you can definitely leave a comment down below. So this is one. So my first box is empty and let us move to the second one. So the next product is a sunscreen from VLCC. So this is their D10 sunscreen gel cream with SPF 50 PA+++, fades tan, evens out skin tone, non-greasy, easy absorbing, and it is with UVA and UVB UV protection, carrot and cucumber extracts. So it is for all skin types and this is a paraben free product. So the MRP of this product is 415 rupees and I got it at rupees 311. So there is a gap of 100 rupees, which is a great deal for me. I am quite excited to see the texture of this product. It has some fragrance. It's a gel cream. It smells like perfume, like वो नहीं आता perfume Dynamite का from Amway. It is absolutely smelling like that. I quite like the formulation, but it quickly absorbed into my skin. So I am till now liking this product and hoping a lot from this one. So yeah. So the next product is actually a refill for my Garnier Micellar water. So I have already shown that before, so I am not willing to show this again, so leave it. So the last but not the least, the one product which I was extremely excited to get was this serum from Dermaco. It is the 10% niacinamide serum for acne marks. It is with vitamin B3, zinc, and it is for day plus night. It is dermatologically tested, paraben and silicone free. So these days, whenever I used to scroll through YouTube, I almost got 2 to 3 videos on this product. So I definitely had to try this because it claims that it removes your acne scars and lightens them in just few days. So I really want to try this out. The net quantity of this product is 30 ml. The cost of this product is rupees 539, and there was absolutely no discount on this product, so I had to buy it at rupees 539. I am quite impressed with the packaging because here are the ingredients used, and there is a guide to how you can use that. So I am very much excited to use this product on my skin. So I am actually planning to make a video on this product separately. I will be trying this out for like 1 month, and if I get good results, I'll be definitely sharing with you all. So yes, this was my last product from Purplle, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. So whenever I come up with new videos, to get its notification, you have to turn on the notification bell. So stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video.